In the 2024 film Gladiator 2, there's a notable scene where enslaved warriors are thrust into the Colosseum to battle rabid monkeys. This event is orchestrated by the deranged emperor siblings Geta and Caracalla, who seek to entertain the Roman populace with increasingly savage spectacles. The scene underscores the empire's moral decay and the gladiators' relentless struggle for survival. Paul Mescal, portraying the protagonist Lucius Verus, delivers a compelling performance, showcasing his character's resilience and combat prowess against the ferocious primates. The sequence is a testament to Ridley Scott's directorial flair, blending intense action with deeper themes of survival and resistance. If you like this scene and our movie's clips explanation, please like this video and subscribe for more upcoming videos.